Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today I am going to be doing an afternoon tidy up. This is going to be pretty quick and to the point. We are a homeschool family, and in the mornings we do homeschool, and sometimes I'm able to fit in some chores, sometimes not so much. It just kind of depends. You can see here we just finished up lunch and I need to get everything put back together. This little toy right here is a toy that I had just cleaned. This was one of my kids' favorite toys when they were very young, and it's got a lot of sentimental value. It's been out in the garage, so I just cleaned it up because I want to put it in the closet so that when my nephews come over they have that to play with. So now that's put away, I'm just going to get my dishes put away, clean the counters, things like that, so that this room is back to a clean slate. One thing I have noticed is that I've really fallen into a routine of doing just a quick afternoon tidy up. Sometimes I don't get to do the kitchen as soon as lunch is over because sometimes it just doesn't happen. I like for it to, but like on a day like this, I usually do just take a little bit of time and I get everything kind of reset so that once it is time for the evening, everything's ready to go. A lot of times after I've done this kind of afternoon reset, that is when I will do some kind of project, or if there's some like real cleaning that I need to do, like deep cleaning, that's kind of when that will take place. You'll notice I just got out my bottle brush. I am cleaning my stainless cups. I've got one that I drink water out of and then one that I drink coffee out of, and the one that I drink coffee out of, it tends to get stains in it. So every so often I like to fill it up with some Barkeeper's Friend and then just kind of let it sit for a minute, and then I will scrub it out with the brush so that I can get down there at the bottom. This cup is kind of narrow at the bottom, so it's kind of hard for me to get my hand in there, but I can use the brush pretty well. And then I like to put some Barkeeper's Friend on a sponge so that I can do kind of the top part a little better, and it does a really great job of cleaning out your stainless mugs. So if you've got coffee stains in your mugs, give this tip a try. We did manage to get this counter and table wiped off right after school and then after lunch, so thankfully that part of the room was already done, and now the kitchen matches. In the living room, there's not much to do. This is pretty much what I do. Every time I walk in the living room, I fold the blanket, I put the pillows away, push the cushions back in the couch like they're supposed to be, and then try to just put away anything that might be in here that needs to be put away. So right here I've got some lotion, I've got planners. You'll see right here on my desk in just a second that I've got planners out. I was working on something. I've got a random phone case for the water out that needs to be put away. My computer needs to be plugged in so that I'll be able to use it in a little while. So I'm just doing a really quick tidy up in here. You can see Tucker on the stairs. He's hiding. He thinks I'm going to get the vacuum out, and that's where he likes to get when I vacuum because he's really scared of it. So he's just hanging out and watching me clean, just trying to stay out of my way. Alright, so in our bedroom, I normally make our bed first thing in the morning, but on this particular day I wanted to kind of change things up a little bit. We have a duvet that we got a few months ago, and it's got a pattern on it, and I do really like it, but our bedroom has always been very bland. I haven't ever had a lot of pattern in here, and now that we have our new rug in here finally, which you will see here in a few minutes, I really like the rug, I really like the duvet. I'm just kind of feeling like I need to change things up a little bit, so I took the duvet out of the cover, and I'm just going to kind of make it so that the duvet is kind of at the end of the bed, just so that the whole pattern doesn't take up the whole bed. I just feel like it's a little less busy, so we'll see. I like it for now. I may totally change things up in here. You guys know I don't always leave things the same way for very long. I definitely am one that likes change, but I also like simplicity, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes, but right now I'm just going to finish getting my bed made up. So I'm going to get these pillows on the bed, and then you guys are finally going to get a peek at our new rug. I have been looking for this style of rug, like this particular pattern, for a while. I had found one on Amazon, but it was expensive. It was well over $200, and I just felt like I could get a better deal. So I've been very patient for the last several months, and I did finally find one at Ross for like $80. So I was super excited about that. Every day I always have 1 or 2 loads of laundry to fold, so I'm just going to get this stuff folded so that I can get it put away, and then everything's going to feel nice and clean again. I definitely enjoy the slower days where we're at home and I do get to get this tackled before the evening. It just makes getting dinner started and then getting on into our evening routine just a lot easier. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, and down in the comments below, come say hi. Leave me your favorite emoji. Alright guys, that's all I've got for today, and I will see you guys soon.